The first quarter has come to a close, and so far in 2022, the IPO pipeline has come to a near standstill. Leslie Picker joins us now with more. Hey, Leslie.
Hey, Joe. Yeah, the IPO market has essentially fallen off a cliff so far this year. Just $2.4 billion worth of listings have hit U.S. exchanges in 2022. That's 5%, just 5% of the volume that we saw last year over this same period. That, according to Dealogic data. In fact, this has been the worst 3-month stretch for IPOs in 24 quarters since the beginning of 2016, when the prospect of rising interest rates ensnared broader markets. It's not too dissimilar to what's going on now. Higher rates whipsawing the profitless growth companies that have come to epitomize the IPO market in the last few years. The Renaissance IPO ETF is more than 20% lower this year. Geopolitical and pandemic uncertainty also creating headwinds for supply chains and inflation, potentially creeping into margins of companies otherwise looking to go public, looking to debut. All of that creates opacity for how to value and trade new issues, so companies that can wait to go public are choosing to do so. Chobani, for example, was set to make its debut earlier this year and has delayed. Reddit was planning on going public in March. Well, that didn't happen. It's April now. Digital bank Chime is reportedly punting its deal to the second half of the year. Instacart and Stripe were considered candidates for this year as well, but they just had their valuations slashed by Fidelity. So the IPO market may remain practically at a standstill until something changes on the macro front. Guys.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.